आप कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू? पहले कौन आया? हु केम फर्स्ट? हु केम फर्स्ट? ये मेरे लिए नहीं है। इट्स नॉट फॉर मी। इट्स नॉट फॉर मी। दूसरों की नकल मत करो। डोंट कॉपी अदर्स। डोंट कॉपी अदर्स। तुम कब तक फ्री हो जाओगे? When will you be free? When will you be free? मुझ पर सब छोड़ दो। Leave everything to me. Leave everything to me. सब खत्म हो गया। It's over. It's over. मेरी राय में। In my opinion. In my opinion. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand anything. I didn't understand anything. इसे दोबारा कोशिश करो। Try it again. Try it again. ये सही नहीं लगता। It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right. तुम्हें इस पर विचार करना चाहिए। You should think about it. You should think about it. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा। I never thought of that. I never thought of that. मुझे इसका कारण बताओ। Tell me the reason for this. Tell me the reason for this. इसे मेरे पास छोड़ दो। Leave it to me. Leave it to me. मुझे जल्दी जाना होगा। I'll have to leave early. I'll have to leave early. ये बहुत मुश्किल है। It's very difficult. It's very difficult. तुम बहुत होशियार हो। You are very smart. You are very smart. ये तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है। It's not your fault. It's not your fault. हम बाद में बात करेंगे। We'll talk later. We'll talk later. इसे सही से करने की कोशिश करो। Try to make it right. Try to make it right. तुम पर भरोसा किया जा सकता है। You can be trusted. You can be trusted. मुझसे ये मत कहो। Don't say this to me. Don't say this to me. हमें तुरंत जाना होगा। We'll have to leave immediately. We'll have to leave immediately. ये मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. सपने देखने की हिम्मत करो। Dare to dream. Dare to dream. हारना एक विकल्प नहीं है। Losing is not an option. Losing is not an option. अब या कभी नहीं। Now or never. मुझे उस पर शक है। I doubt that. I doubt that. तुम्हें चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए। You shouldn't worry. You shouldn't worry. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? हम इसे बाद में कर सकते हैं। We can do this later. We can do this later. यहां इंतजार करो। Wait here. Wait here. तुम कितने दूर हो? How far are you? How far are you? तुम्हें क्यों लगता है? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? ये किस बारे में है? What is this about? What is this about? क्या ये असली है? Is this real? Is this real? तुम कहां से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? तुम्हारा प्लान क्या है? What's your plan? What's your plan? मुझे इसके बारे में सोचने दो। लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट। लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट। क्या हम इसे कल कर सकते हैं? कैन वी डू दिस टुमारो? कैन वी डू दिस टुमारो? क्या तुम्हें मेरे साथ आना है? डू यू नीड टू कम विद मी? डू यू नीड टू कम विद मी? तुम्हें क्या पसंद नहीं आया? What didn't you like? What didn't you like? ये कहां हुआ? Where did this happen? Where did this happen? तुम्हें किससे बात करनी है? Who do you need to talk to? Who do you need to talk to? तुम्हें किसकी जरूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? तुम्हें क्यों विश्वास नहीं है? Why don't you trust it? Why don't you trust it? ये कितना बड़ा है? How big is this? How big is this? तुम्हें किससे डर लगता है? What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? तुम क्यों रुक गए? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ सकते हो? Can you come with me? Can you come with me? तुम्हें किस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए? What should you focus on? What should you focus on? तुमने किससे बात की? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? तुम किसे बुला रहे हो? Who are you calling? Who are you calling? क्या यह तुम्हारे लिए ठीक है? Is this okay for you? Is this okay for you? तुम्हें यहां कब आना है? When do you need to come here? When do you need to come here? ये कौन तय करेगा? Who will decide this? Who will decide this? तुम्हें क्या संदेह है? What do you suspect? What do you suspect? क्या तुमने इसका उत्तर दिया? Did you answer this? Did you answer this? तुम कब तक रहोगी? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? ये कब से हो रहा है? Since when is this happening? Since when is this happening? तुम्हें इस पर कैसे भरोसा हुआ? How did you trust this? How did you trust this? तुमने किससे सलाह ली? Whom did you consult? Whom did you consult? क्या तुमने इसे पहले देखा था? Have you seen this before? Have you seen this before? तुम कब जा रहे हो? When are you leaving? When are you leaving? तुम इसे कब लाओगे? When will you bring this? When will you bring this? तुम्हें किसके बारे में पूछना है? Who do you have to ask about? Who do you have to ask about? तुमने इसे क्यों छुपाया? Why did you hide this? Why did you hide this? तुम्हें किसने ये बताया? Who told you this? Who told you this? तुम्हें यहां क्यों आना पड़ा? Why did you have to come here? Why did you have to come here? तुम्हें ये कैसे पता चला? How did you find this out? How did you find this out? तुम्हें कौन सी जानकारी चाहिए? What information do you need? What information do you need? तुम इसे कैसे संभालोगे? How will you handle this? How will you handle this? तुम किससे सहमत हो? Who do you agree with? Who do you agree with? तुमने किससे पूछा? Who did you ask? Who did you ask? तुम्हें किसकी याद आती है? Who do you miss? Who do you miss? तुम इसे कब ठीक करोगे? When will you fix this? When will you fix this? तुम इसे कब भेजोगे? When will you send this? When will you send this? तुम्हें किससे सहायता चाहिए? Whom do you need help from? Whom do you need help from? तुम इसे कैसे सुधारोगे? How will you improve this? How will you improve this? तुम्हें ये पसंद क्यों है? Why do you like this? Why do you like this? तुम इसे क्यों चाहते हो? Why do you want this? Why do you want this? तुम किससे संपर्क कर सकते हो? Who can you contact? Who can you contact? तुम कब तक कोशिश करोगे? How long will you try? How long will you try? तुम इसे किसके लिए कर रहे हो? Who are you doing this for? Who are you doing this for? तुम इसे कब समाप्त करोगे? When will you finish this? When will you finish this? तुमने किसे जवाब दिया? Whom did you reply to? Whom did you reply to? ये क्यों जरूरी है? Why is it important? Why is it important? क्या तुमने सुना? Did you listen? Did you listen? कब तक रुक सकते हो? How long can you stay? How long can you stay? कौन आ सकता है? Who can come? Who can come? तुमने क्यों रोका? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? कहां रखा है? Where is it kept? Where is it kept? कौन सा रास्ता है? Which way is it? Which way is it? क्या वो आ रहा है? Is he coming? Is he coming? तुम्हें किसकी तलाश है? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तुम्हें ये कैसे मिला? हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस? हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? इज दिस यूअर्स? इज दिस यूअर्स? कौन इंतजार कर रहा है? हु इज वेटिंग? हु इज वेटिंग?